There's a scorpion right next to it, dude.
Oh shit, let's catch the scorpion, dude. Alright, let's move the...
Telling you after I move it.
Alright. Can I move it towards you guys so I can get the scorpion?
Don's more concerned with the freaking scorpion.
Well, I mean, I can actually catch the scorpion. I can't catch the... Alright, he's going up in there.
He's going up in the log, fam. He can't, though. There's no holes to go up that.
Alright, ready? You got this?
Dylan, get bit by it. Get clawed by it. Dylan, get clawed by it.
Alright.
Get pinched. Come on, Dylan.
Absolute unit.
Oh, you hear the chicken back there?
Dylan, this is gonna be some steady cam.
Alright, we're gonna get this one.
Chasm. No stars about it. No. What is that, Dylan? Just throw it like out a little bit.
Filming still?
Yeah. Just put it a little bit out, not like really far. Oh my god, that's so sick. Snake swimming's so fucking sick.
Hella babies, dude. Hella babies. What's up, dude? Alright, he's super slippery. You want to get some good pictures?
Huh?
Dude, he's still hella strong. This boy's big.
Don't hold him up by his legs so we can see how big he is. Don't holy shit.
Just swing down as far as it.
There you go.
Another one.
That's so much better
That's
of a
good.
swing right there, Dylan. What is this,
Luke, that's good.
Alright, there you go.
This casserole? Discuss.
Got him?
Where's the pliers?
Guys gonna wash that, right?
We're gonna have to.
That
Alright.
looks crazy awesome. That was gross.
You want to get
That's
one of those?
awesome. I see its
Alright,
bone.
just a little bit more, Don.
This one's Ben's, dude.
That's kind of gross. I'm gonna go get it.
That white stuff's under your skin,
What's
too.
a wheel?
Alright.
Ah.
Ears.
That's good.
Ew, frog guts. I know.
I don't think you understand what kind of bone's right there, Will.
That
Called
was
the scrotum.
There's a bone and stuff.
It's sharp as fuck.
disgusting. It's because
Yeah, we
they
missed some
found
meat.
a dead frog.
Fucking